Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on ICICI Lombard. Our analyst maintains buy rating on ICICI Lombard with a price target of Rs 2200. ICICI Lombard reported healthy performance in Q1, mainly led by healthy growth in premium and higher investment income. Management is confident about further improvement in combined ratios by the end of FY25, thereby improving profitability. We remain optimistic about the company's plan to grow in a calibrated manner. We expect the company to deliver ROE of 18 to 20% over the medium term. At the current market price, the stock trades at 35.7 times FY25 and 30 times its FY26 estimated EPS. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next, we have an update on NAM India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on NAM India with a price target of Rs 750. NAM India reported yet another strong quarter led by buoyant capital market flows. It has been witnessing strong growth across segments, leading to strong market gains on the back of buoyant markets. Also, its equity fund have been delivering better performance in the past years versus peers, which is driving improvement in net inflows. Impact of lower equity yields on core revenue is expected to be broadly managed by higher growth in AUM. We expect Nippon to deliver better than industry AUM growth. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 30.8 times its FY25 and 27.6 times its FY26 earnings EPS estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.